Hi guys, welcome back to Science Next. I just got back from a run. That was really tiring. I got a lot of carbon dioxide pumping through my lungs. You know, talking about that really makes me wonder, what is our breath made of? And what other cool things can we do with it? Now guys, let's answer that by coming back to the lab. Hey guys, we're back in the lab. I just did a little research and I learned that we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So I think that it would be a fun idea to see what other ways we can make carbon dioxide. This crazy piece of paper is a chemical equation. In a chemical equation, tells what goes into an experiment and what comes out of an experiment. In this case, sodium bicarbonate or baking soda plus acetic acid or vinegar creates carbon dioxide, water, and these ions. And also, I want you to notice that baking soda, a solid, and vinegar, a liquid, create a gas. So we're hoping that that chemical reaction can blow up a balloon. So first, we're going to pour 15 milliliters of vinegar into our graduated cylinder, which measures the volume of a liquid C15. So now we pour that vinegar into our test tube, and then we now put this funnel on to our balloon, and we use 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the funnel, because remember, we don't want these touching, because right when they touch, the chemical reaction will happen. So we can't have them touching until the balloon is on, because then the balloon won't blow up, because there won't be any more carbon dioxide being created. Now I'm going to use this balloon with the baking soda in it, and I'm going to put it on my test tube, and then I will flip up the balloon when I'm ready. And should we do it? It worked, guys! Look, and look at the test tube. Oh, it's blowing bigger. Oh, I better get out of the way. This is really cool. So yeah, I'm really glad that worked. Now, I guess we could call that experiment a success. Now, remember, you should try this experiment at your house. And remember, hit that like button as hard as you can and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.